Hi, I'm Carrie from Crafts for Wellbeing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make these teabag folded greetings cards. Now, teabag folding is a name that originated in the Netherlands when some crafters decided that they would use the pattern paper that held tea bags in to do some crafting with. So this is the origin behind the name, and it's basically just working with small squares of paper to create a lovely design like this. So you can do lots of different types of folds. I've got two different folds here. I'm going to show you one today that I really like because you can actually use it to get a really nice 3D effect, as in this card here. Okay, so let's get started. So to make your teabag folded card, you're going to need 8 squares of patterned paper. Now these can either be patterned paper that are specifically made for teabag folding, like these papers are. These are all my own designs and they're free for you to download. Just check the description below the video and you'll find out how to do those. Or you can mix it up, so you can either take different origami papers like I have done here, or I've cut up a sheet of music here and made a medallion out of those, so you can do that as well. But you just need 8 identical sized sheets of paper, so these are all just over 6 centimeters square. That's another one of the ones that's in this pack for you, and we're going to use one that's in the pack which is actually made from my dragon illustration. I don't know if you can see that, some of my Celtic dragons there. So we're going to work with this one today. Okay, so the fold is quite simple. Whatever piece of paper you're using, if you choose to work with pattern paper, then you want to work with the pattern paper side up facing you first of all. And you fold the patterned paper edge to edge, so straight edge to straight edge. Fold it, give it a crease, open it out, turn it around 90 degrees and repeat that action. So straight edge to straight edge, give it a crease and open it out. Now you want to flip the paper over, and now we're going to fold corner to corner. So corner to corner, give it a crease, fold out and turn it 90 degrees, corner to corner, give it a crease and fold out. And you'll see that you have these mountain folds here that go up and over, and these valley folds here that go down. And you want to hold your teabag tile along the straight edge where the valley folds are, and just bring those valley folds in like so, so that bottoms meet. And then you'll see that when you push it all together, that creates this triangle. Now you'll notice that there's a crease down the middle, and what we're going to do is fold this folded edge here and this folded edge here, and we're going to fold those so that the folded edge meets that crease. So it's just, I'll put this down and it's just like so. So the folded edge here meets the crease in the middle, so you just fold it like so and crease it down, and then you repeat that on the other side. So this folded edge comes in and meets the crease in the middle, and crease it down like so, and that's one part of our medallion done. So I'll just show you again, I'll repeat it one more time and then we'll fast forward. Keep your pattern side face up, fold it edge to edge, open out, turn it 90 degrees, fold edge to edge again, open out. Now flip it over so that the plain side's facing you and fold corner to corner, crease, open out, turn it 90 degrees, corner to corner, crease, open out, hold it with the pattern side face up, hold the two straight edges, and then bring those folds in so that they meet each other and press down flat. And now the top line folded edge meets that crease in the middle, and the other side does as well. Okay, so I'm going to fold the rest of these. So I've got 6 more to fold, and I'll come back and show you the next step. All 8 of the tails are folded now, and now I'm going to add some glue to each of them. Now you can use double-sided tape, you could use wet glue, you could use a glue stick, that's absolutely fine. So the glue is going to go just under the fold, and I'm going to put the glue in exactly the same place on the right hand side for each tile. So I'm going to go through and just add the glue onto all of these pieces in that area. The glue, or the double-sided sticky tape in this case, has been added just under that flap on the right hand side, and now I'm going to start gluing everything together. So let's just take the backing off here, and then I'll take my next tile, and you want to meet the 2 apexes of the triangles. They want to meet together, and also this folded edge wants to line up with the crease just underneath the first fold. So you can see I'm just putting the apexes together and then making sure that that crease is lined up, and then just glue down, and you can see we've got our first 2 folds. So I just repeat that all the way around. So let's take this backing tape off, take the next one, and again the apex will meet up with these ones, and then this folded edge is going to lie in this crease here. So let's move those in, make sure that everything's lined up, press down so the glue can take hold, and there's the next one, and that's it. That just repeats all the way around until you get to the final one. So I'll continue with that and then just show you what happens with the final one. So I've got 7 glued together now, and I'm going to take number 8, and again just put that in the same, so it's going to line up here and go in along the crease and get glued down. And now I'm going to take the glue off that final one and lift the bottom one up and over. So now I'm just make sure that that aligns, so just get that centre point aligned up with all the other centre points, the crease in line, and there we go. That's it all done. And then to finish off, you can either do as I've done with previous ones here and layer it up with a bit of card, and then I've put some washi tape on, but with this one I'm just going to put 1 strip of washi tape on, I think, in a contrasting colour to the cardstock. And then I'm going to add some glue to the back of the medallion. Of course, if you like that side, you could always put that one up front, but I like this side, so I'm going to put some glue on the back here, and then I'll just line it up. So I can either put the medallion down that way or maybe that way. I quite like that way. I think I'll do that. And press down. And if you like, even for an extra touch, you could put a little bead or a sticky gem in the centre there as well, just for an extra touch. So I hope you enjoy making that tea bag folded card, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video soon. Bye.